that we think as Pinetown they can improve curriculum and they can improve performance. It's not something that is out of this world, but it's grade 11 learners who are our grade 12, and we know. And the fortunate or unfortunate part of it is that we are dealing with the same caliber of of learners. And the possibility, if we don't put much effort, we might land it where we landed in 92.2%, of which that is not the target of the district. The target of the district this year around Mamzabuza is 97.2. The sub-targets have been set at all levels, all circuits, all CMC, they are fully aware about SGBs, because the thing is, when you don't know where you are going, you will land it anywhere and see no matter what. Then the content and methodology workshops are ongoing, they have been conducted. There's all your specialized workshop, your topic test, and what. Some of these activities are ongoing because they have got their time frames. But for me is to say districts are not the same, and districts can emulate what can work for them as long as we will attain what we want to attain. We have identified best performing educators, and I want to move on and say maybe as Pinetown District, DDG, asisai khulumi nendaba yama-bootcamp. But we understand that the department has minimal resources. Out of the minimal resources that are there, we want to spread them as much as we can. Instead of us paying 200 Rand per learner, we are saying let's pay 16 Rand per learner for the food and we teach our learners. That is why we said we are rolling out the. I'm not saying it can work for all districts, but we have sat down and we said if you want performance, this is what is going to work for Pinetown District, which can work for other districts also. Probably together with Umlazi, we have got UKZN next to us that is willing to assist us. Like now, we are saying, let's start in the Bayemets, grade 9. Gone are those days when Pinetown was a mess district, but we are going to retain it to DDG. Pinetown being the mess district. Want to start from grade 9, and we have got Professor Mkize that is willing to assist us and workshop our educators. To go to your content methodology that we have talked about in different subjects, the Saturday classes, the extra classes, and what. As a district director, I've got my own template that I'm using so that I will know that school so and so at this time is teaching what subject. And I don't indicate when I'm going there, I just go. Because mine is to